We're all going on a...
It's not a summer holiday, it's spring.
Trip, and I want my nan.
Yeah,
So,
I remember it now. Look at that mower.
I'm vlogging today, right, because I want to remember this day.
I'm vlogging.
Because I'm going to see my nan, and she lives in Bridlington. She's in a care home at the minute because, unfortunately, she's got dementia and she gets kind of violent.
Find me a car park.
But right now we're at Park Rose.
Park Rose?
Park Rose. Trying to find some bargains.
Park Rose!
Trying to kill time.
I'm going to Park Rose.
Yes, I thought I'd vlog this because I want to remember it and I want to look back on it.
Beautiful day,
because
nice bit of rain.
I actually don't get to see my nan a lot because it's like a 2-hour journey and it costs a fortune nowadays with petrol.
I'm only mouthing off, so I'm involved. But I'm not into this YouTube either, am I?
Hello.
Yeah, Bodie's not with us because he's annoying, so...
Thank you. Go on then, Kota. Kota.
What would you do, Kota, now if it spread its... Watch what you're doing now. No, it's not going to let you, Kota, have to be careful.
Playing with you, Kota.
Does this remind you of something? Please comment if you know what I mean.
Doing a good job of this. Get out. That's the point, you sausage. You're supposed to walk into everything. We might have stuck here for a while.
So I'm actually traumatised, right, because about an hour ago what happened?
A seagull walloped her head and then took a food.
I'm going because we didn't get it on video because that would have been funny, but I'm still traumatised because yeah, a seagull stole my food, stole my lobster tail, just walloped me round head and stole it.
Half of it to go.
I got to eat half of it, yeah. I basically paid to feed a seagull. I should have known. Never in my life has that happened.
Paid £3 and she's only seen it on funny videos.
Yeah, I've never seen, I mean I've seen it on videos, I never thought it happened to me. I'm traumatised. I can't cope. So, having some fish and chips at the minute, aren't we?
I have to stay in here and hopefully there's going to be no seagulls flying in here.
Fish and chips.
Yay!
Love that. Nan, you're looking well.
What, love?
You're looking well.
It's what?
Yeah, you're looking well.
You're looking well. Have you got your,
Oh, right.
have you got your hearing aid in? Where's your hearing aid? Can you hear me?
Yeah, just a bit. Not a lot.
You know my name, don't you? What's my name?
That's not your name. Is it your name?
What's my name?
I say.
It's
I forget.
Nikki New.
Nicky Do.
Yeah.
Where is the laddie-o?
Where's the who?
Where's the laddie-o?
Laddie. I had a lobster tail on the harbour, yeah.
Yeah.
And a freaking seagull stole it from me.
It walloped her in the head first.
It walloped me in the head and stole it.
Yeah. Oh dear. That's awful, I don't.
It is, isn't it? Stole me a lobster.
She was traumatised for the whole entire time.
God, it's hot in here, isn't it? Steaming.
You're still traumatised, aren't you?
I really am traumatised, yeah.
What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
He's just at nursery at a minute.
Is it?
Yeah. In the lounge. And Nan, you got your cat now? Does it make you happy?
It's a nice cat.
Have you cheered up a bit now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're entitled to have
You got some company now, haven't you? You'll be fine.
She's doing a good job on that one. You want to sit down?
Just like that.
What doesn't know?
I'm having a cup of tea here.
Cup of cha.
But yeah, I'm alright.
It was a lot more
Oh,
sensible.
look at your elbow.
Yeah, you gotta show us your little dog, look. You're cuddling your little dog, keep you company.
Oh, that's... Is
He's
it
barking.
Good response, isn't it?
I love it.
Oh, wow. Good.
Well, hello there. It is literally 11:15. I am absolutely shattered because it's a 2-hour journey to go to Bridlington from ours. I don't know if I've already said that, but yeah, it's 2 hours. Unfortunately, that's how far my nan is away from me, so I don't get to see her often because, in all honesty, I'm poor. I'm a poor person, especially with this petrol, because it's literally cost me 50 quid to get there and back, you know? It's absolutely gutting. This petrol prices are killing me. Anyway, I'm very excited because I now don't have to edit on my phone because, like, my laptop broke again, but luckily my father-in-law can actually do laptops, so he's fixed it again, and I have my Wondershare Filmora back, and my mum told me to get an account with Google Photos, so I've done that, so all of my photos and videos go on there, so now I feel like my videos are going to be better quality. There's a lot to this editing business though, so and my eyes are literally burning right now because my partner's cleaning the kitchen and he's bleaching the floor, and I've got such sensitive eyes and stuff, and I'm in the living room, he's in the kitchen, you know, hallway's tiny so it's not that far away, and I can feel the burn in my eyes and I can't even cope. But yeah, I'm editing my video, I'm so excited. Let me show you. How do I do it from here? Can I? So, oh, come on, focus. Let me just wipe it. It might be better. Is that better? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just editing here, look. I actually bought this quite a long time ago. Not long after I, probably about a year after I started YouTube. But yeah, I downloaded this and it's so worth it. I know I only have like 10 people watching me right now, but I literally just enjoy doing it anyway. And I really wanted to capture today because, yeah, I wanted to look back on these and, you know, good memories. Yeah, this is literally going to be such an important little vlog for me. I mean, I vlogged what I could with my nan, but I was in the moment and enjoying it. But yeah, she's got dementia, so she does forget who I am. She knows my face at the minute, but she forgets my name a lot. But when she sees my daughter, she literally calls her Nikki New, thinking she's me, because that was my nickname. And it's so nice because they have such a really nice special bond, and I think it's because me and my nan have always been so close and stuff, and we have this really strong, close bond. I spent a lot of time with my nan. I literally went every single weekend when I worked, because I used to work in a care home. I used to work in care until I had my daughter and that, and I had to stop. But yeah, I literally went every single weekend, and then we used to spend like a week at a time there whenever we could to go on holidays and stuff. Such good memories, but you know, it's really sad when you see them, the people you love the most, go downhill. I know my grandma as well, she got Alzheimer's and that, so she literally just forgot everything about who I am and that. And you know, I used to go to my grandma all the time, for the, you know, when you're having a bad day and stuff, and I could always go to my grandma. But anyway, enough of that sad talk. Yeah, I'm going to end this video here now because I'm so tired. Such a fun-filled day. I was dosed up on painkillers today just so I could get through the walking. I wasn't even walking that far, but obviously with my fibromyalgia and stuff, it's a killer. And I literally have to walk with a stick now, which is really sad. But it eases my pain as well, on top of the painkillers that I'm on. Oh, such a nightmare. Yeah, I'm still learning about that anyway. This is I ramble on so much. Yeah, please do make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video if you do like these videos, because you know, I know I'm just here to like vlog so I can look back on I love looking back on these videos from years ago, my infertility struggles and stuff. Looking back on that, I'm looking at my 4-year-old now, it's mental. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to try and keep up this now. At first it's going to be once a week, like every single Wednesday. I know it's not very much, but I mean, it's literally all I can do now. But yeah, I think I'll do another one next week, and I don't know what that would be yet. We'll just have to wait and see. Thank you for watching if you got this far, and I will see you all in my next video. So thank you very much, and see you all next time. Bye bye.